friends, my name is Puna and this is my chapter. My name is Puna, this is my chapter Nakshatra.
Hello friends, I'm Nakshatra and this is my little brother. So today we are going to do a fun thing. Puna, do you know what it is?
It's one story.
It's a puppet show, yes.
A Snowwhite story.
Yes, it's a Snowwhite story. Today we are going to do a puppet show on the story The Snowwhite and the Seven Dwarfs. This is a theatre. We had made this theatre using a cereal box and cutted it in the center and then white paper for decoration. And these are our puppets.
Hello.
And we had used popsicle sticks for this and paper to take a printout for this.
I didn't here.
So Puna, shall we do this?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, we'll start. Welcome to the puppet show. This puppet show is made by Nakshatra and Puna. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful baby. Her name was Snow White. Her mother had died when she was small only. So her father saw her crying every time and sad. As she grew up big, she was looking like a beautiful young woman. Daily she would go to the forest and play there with her animal friends like squirrels and birds and deers. So the father could not see her sadness. So he married another queen. The queen was very evil. It was very, very evil. But he didn't knew that this queen was evil. So he married. So she and the king had married each other. The queen had a magical mirror. The queen had a magical mirror. She daily used to say, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of all?" The mirror would reply, "You, my queen, are the fairest of all." The queen was very happy at listening to this day by day. As years passed by, Snow White grew up into a beautiful young girl. So then, as usual, she went to the forest and played with her friends.
Yes.
So then, when she was playing in the forest, the queen was in the palace. She was in the palace talking with her huntsman. She called her huntsman. "Huntsman, where are you? Come here fast." The huntsman said, "Yes, my queen. What is your problem? I can solve your problem." Then the queen said, "You today are going to stay with me and be my partner. You are going to listen to me every time." Then the huntsman said, "Okay, my queen." As usual, daily she was going to the mirror, but one day when she went to the mirror and asked, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of all?" The mirror replied, "You, my queen, are the fairest of all, but Snow White is fairer than you." Seeing this, the queen got very angry. Her face became very red and she was having a temper on Snow White. So she wanted to kill Snow White. So she called her huntsman. "Huntsman, where are you?" The huntsman said, "Yes, my queen. What's your problem? On your side. I will help you." The queen said, "Okay, then help me. Go and kill Snow White and bring her heart as the proof in this box." Then the huntsman said, okay, but he was scared. He was very nervous. Then Snow White was in the forest playing with her friends. La, 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 la. The huntsman came, took out his knife and tried to kill Snow White. But when he saw her face, she was so beautiful and looking so kind. She was helping one squirrel who fell down from the tree. So he didn't want to kill her. He said to Snow White, Snow White, run away from here. The queen wants to kill you. Run away, run away. Snow White ran away and ran away and ran away. Until Snow White reached a cottage. Snow White found a cottage. Then she knocked the door so many times. No one replied. Knock, 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 knock. Who is there in the house? Can you please open the door? Knock, knock. But no one opened. So Snow White pushed the door and went inside. When she went inside, she saw a house with everything 7. What? Everything 7? 7 beds? 7 spoons? 7 forks? 7 knives? 7 plates? 7 globes? And 7. Everything is 7. She cleaned the full house as it was dirty. After cleaning, the summer doves came by singing this song. La 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 la, we are to the home. La 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 la, we are going to the home. Home, home, we love our home. La 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 la. When they went inside the house, they saw Snow White. They were so scared. But then when they opened the blanket and they saw Snow White. The sleepy man was always sleepy, fell from up and down and crashed down. Ow! Who pushed me? He said. Everyone said, shh, be quiet. Then Snow White heard the sound and woke up. She screamed, ah! Ah! The dwarf said, don't worry, Snow White. Don't scream. We know that you are the princess of this kingdom. Don't worry, we'll take her after you. You can stay in our cottage and live with us here. Snow White was very happy. One of the oldest dwarfs said something to Snow White. The eldest dwarf said, Snow White, daily we go to places to dig and get stones for eating our money, for getting our money, and then we can buy so that we can get food and we are not hungry anymore and we can survive. The Snow White said, okay, I will not open the door to anyone. Then the dwarf said, oh, I was about to tell you that. Good girl, I think you know everything. So take care of this home. We'll come back in the evening. Snow White said, okay, dwarf, you can go. I will take care of this house. And then the queen, as usual, went to the mirror. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of all? The mirror replied, you're my queen, the fairest of all. But Snow White is fairer than you. Seeing this, the queen got very angry. Did Snow White get killed by the huntsman? Didn't the huntsman kill? Today I am going to become a witch and I'm going to kill Snow White. Then the witch turned into one old grandmother. She went to Snow White, the dwarf's home, and she saw Snow White again. She was so pretty. She wants to kill her. She said, oh my girl, I know that you are the queen's and the king's daughter. I think your dress is like something loose, so may I tighten it? I'm a sewer. Then the Snow White said, okay, you must sew on it, but be careful, do not poke me. Then the witch said, okay, I will not poke you. Come, friend. And then she pulled the thread so much And then Snow White couldn't breathe and she fell down, dead. And then when the dwarfs came to their home singing the song again, la 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 la, we are coming to our home, we coming to our home, we love our home so much. And then when they opened the door, they saw Snow White died. They removed the thread which was tied her. And then Snow White again took one breath. At last, Snow White woke up. Thank you, dwarfs, for saving me. I was looking care of this home, but one old woman came and sewed my dress, and then I fell down. It's okay, but take care of this home, I said. Tomorrow again we are going. So next day, after they woke up, they again wanted the door. They said, Snow White, don't open the door for anyone. As they went through the wood, Snow White was standing. As usual, the queen was very happy and thought Snow White died. She went and asked her mirror, Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of all? The mirror replied, You, my queen, are the fairest of all, but Snow White is still fairer than you. Saying this, she got very angry. She tried many times to kill Snow White, but still she said. So this time she got a better idea. She thought to kill Snow White by giving a poisonous apple. She again transformed into a witch and went back. Snow White saw the same woman and she said, Don't come, don't come. You're not Ella. She said, Oh, you might look hungry. You're the only one in the house again. Let me give you some apples. You may feel better. Oh, thank you. I know that apple keeps the doctor away. So she took the apple from the basket and ate one bite. She did. And then when the dwarfs again came back, singing the song, la 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 la, we love our home. They came to this is Snow White dead. They could not believe. So they could not do anything to Snow White. So they didn't want Snow White to die. So Snow White they had kept Snow White in a coffin, glass coffin, and guarded it day and night. They didn't go to their work, but guarded Snow White's glass coffin. One day, a prince was passing by. Oh wow, she looks like so beautiful. Let me kiss her once. Okay. And then he asked the dwarfs, Dwarfs, where are you? Coming, the dwarf said. Oh, what, my boy? He said, can I kiss this girl, Snow White, as I'm the prince and she's the queen? I mean, I'm the prince and she is the princess? She said, no. Please, 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 once. Okay, fine, only once, they said. And allowed. They removed the glass coffin. And then the prince went and kissed Snow White. And then Snow White's apple came from her mouth out. And then she again was alive. The prince asked, I saved you so that you can survive now. Can you please marry me? Snow White was very happy. She married the prince and they both lived happily ever after in the palace. Snow White went to visit the king, which was her father. And then when they went there, they saw that the queen has died. And they were very happy and lived happily together after in the palace.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hope you liked the puppet show and enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.
Bye. If you not watch videos Puna videos, pancake videos, you can separate more videos. Bye.
If you want to watch more videos, press on the notification button below. Bye.
Bye. You want to see me?